Good afternoon, everyone. We wanted to take a moment to share with you the purpose of this special event, to create a legacy project that will leave lasting impact on this school. We find that our Scottish and Presbyterian heritage roots are very rarely exposed, and we wanted to give the students a taste of our heritage. Our goal is to deepen our students' connection to Scottish heritage, something that's central to our school.
Who was St. Kentigern? St. Kentigern is also known as St. Mungo, the patron saint of Glasgow, and is widely regarded as the founder of the city. What about today? What do we see every day which might remind us of our Scottish roots? Well, it's our tartans. The first one you'll see is the pipes and drums. This tartan was chosen to honour the founding headmaster, the Reverend Dr. Adam McFarlane. That's the red background of the old collegians or the alumni band. They wear that one. The next slide you might see is the tartan of our male prefects. They wear the Mackay clan tie. You will notice our girl prefects at the college wear the St. Kentigern College tartan. For those of you up in Bruce House, you may have seen this tartan. The Bruce House tartan is worn by the head boy of Bruce House. Our middle school girls wear a pleated type of pattern. I'm wearing the McQueen tartan. Watch. We're going to invite you now to please stand for the haggis.
Spare for your honest sons of faith, great chieftain of the pudding race. Aboon them all, you take your place. Punch, strike, or firm. Your pen won't help to mend a mill in time o' need, while through your pores the dews distill like amber bead. His knife, see rustic libel decked, and cut ye up with very slick, trenching your gushing entrails black. Old Scotland once now skink and wear that drops and luggage, but if ye wish her grateful prayer, give her a haggis, to the haggis! To the haggis!
I now invite Sienna Lee, a Year 8 student, to perform her Highland Sword Dance.
And can I finish with a Scottish blessing in the vernacular of my grandfather? May you know God's blessing on you this day. May there be strength in your heart and purpose in your soul. And may God's blessing be with you. May it be joy and peace. May contentment latch your door, and God be with you this day and forevermore. Thank you.
For those students who would like to get a sample of the haggis, please go to the Sports Centre Lounge at the end of assembly.
Yeah,